Hey everybody, I'm Mary Jo Martin here in Orlando at the Swan Hotel. This is Charlie Parham. He is the conference chairman of AMAR's annual conference this year, and he's also the president of Pepco Sales out of Dallas. And Charlie, this has been quite a year getting ready for this, I'm sure.
Thank you. Yes, it has been. It's been a lot of work. It's a lot of work personally, but I've had a great team over at my AMAR board of directors and from CM Services and Stacy Wold. So a lot of people, a lot of time goes into putting this together.
Yeah, I don't think anybody can probably imagine what's behind the scenes here.
It's been fun. It's been fun, yeah.
That's awesome. And so we're kind of on the winding down. We got like a half a day left. And so talk about these first couple days. Like, what have been some of your highlights?
Oh my gosh, the first 2 days were so much fun, right? Yesterday there was so much energy with 450 people in that room. And our first speaker, Rory Vaden, just really blew it out of the park. And people really enjoyed it. I loved getting the feedback that people got something out of that. That's why we're here, right? And if people can take something back home to them, something that's going to help their agencies out, then that's what gets me jazzed up about doing this thing. And that's why people come to the AMAR show.
Absolutely.
And then ending the day at Epcot on our island out there with that fireworks show, that was amazing. I don't think I've ever been a part of an AMAR party quite like that. That was fun.
It was a special treat for everybody to be part of that. That was really awesome. And I think we should touch just real quick on the manufacturer participation here and how valuable that is for the two of you as business partners to be able to communicate.
Oh, it's extremely valuable, and that's why we as AMAR have a strategy to include our manufacturers. We want to send a message to them about what AMAR reps are about and what reps are able to do and how professional we are, and manage that message a bit so that there's not confusion out there in the marketplace about what reps do and what we're capable of doing.
Absolutely. And if you could say something to the reps out there that haven't joined AMAR or haven't joined you at a conference, what's your best sales pitch?
Thank you. So AMAR is a place where you can make yourself better as an agency. You will find something here that you are able to take home and improve yourself as an individual and as an agency. And it doesn't matter if you are a one-man show or if you have a team working under you. There is something that you can learn, not just from the great content that we bring in here, but from your fellow reps. And it never ceases to amaze me every single year just how candid the reps can be with strangers that they've never met, but we all have something in common. We're all reps together, and we all realize that we're in this together, and we're able to share what makes us all better.
That was perfect.
All right. So final thoughts. We also wouldn't be here at AMAR without the great vendors that we have, right? I just got done having an amazing conversation with a software company that are just out there doing things that I didn't think was possible for software to provide to reps. And some of these vendors I've seen here every year, but there's also new guys that come every year. And these are vendors that want to make your rep association or your rep company better. And whether your rep company is looking for better software, or they're looking for succession planning, or looking for tax planning, looking for sales coaching, all of that stuff is here. So I encourage reps to come out to take advantage of that, because we get all of the best companies that can help improve your rep agency all together in one place.
That's awesome. And thank you, as always, for the hospitality. It's always great to see you. And stay tuned. There's lots more coming from AMAR.
Thanks, MJ.
Thank you.
All right.